Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Amazon A to Z app. In order to do so, here we are at the Google Play Store and we are also at the Apple Store as well. And so you can find either, depending on what your preference is. What is Amazon A to Z all about? Well, you can manage your work schedule and time off, discover and apply for jobs, and stay connected with Amazon whether you're exploring opportunities, currently work with Amazon, or are a former Amazonian. Get personalized updates and job recommendations, look up your work schedule, apply for shift changes, or record missed punches, and you can view and manage your time off and benefits. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials. We'd love to have you on our Discord and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open an account, and you can get $125 per referral if you refer your friends and family. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, and personally vouch for it. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.